Hello, sir. Welcome to Nitte campus. It is my pleasure to have you in our resident campus. My name is Dr. Dhanraj. I work here as a assistant professor in interior department. I have a total experience of 7 years in teaching. Also, I do freelancing project, civil engineering and a residential project. So, yeah, and you can introduce.
Well, I am Prasanna Kumar. I am Managing Director of Valor's Project Advisory. We provide services like technical due diligence, project monitoring, independent certification, project audits. Before starting this Valor's, I was heading a business for CBRE project management business in Bangalore. I'm basically a civil engineer from NITP Surat. It was indeed a pleasure to be here. Look forward for a healthy discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can you please, share your journey into interior design and what inspired you to enter this field?
Yeah. Basically, my I always embrace changes in my personal and professional life. But for me, always changes makes to grow, and it creates an opportunity. So if you look at my experience, for decades, my initial experience, I was in more of an engineering companies, worked in engineering companies. I started one of the project in Kirosco. That's an heavy engineering projects, more into a filtration plant and gas cleaning plant. It's a huge RCC works. And then again, I joined Bosch. It was more into a manufacturing industry. So setting up a manufacturing industry, executing an industrial piping and infrastructure works. I think, and also I was in the facility management. So as my passion of changes, so which took me to change into an office fit out projects. So for the last 13 years, I worked with the CBRE mainly into an campus development and office fit out projects. I think with my previous experience, I focus more on a quality control, get into an value add, come with an innovative ideas. So these are all my passion, which makes me to, I'm able to give a lot of value to interior projects.
Okay, great. So I have you one more question. What essential or technical skills that every interior design student master before entering the industry?
Well, see, for interior designers, one thing they should remember, interior designer is not only just an aesthetic part. Any successful of the project, it requires a collaboration with all the services consultants. So that's more important actually. And also nowadays technology calls for upgrading their skills. Beams, people are using a Revit for seamless execution, because there will not be any clashes if you are using a beam. So there are these are all a good presentations can be shown to a client, so the client will have a visibility that how the project will be implemented, how the final premises looks like. So this makes an decision making very easy.
Okay, great. I have one question which is more of is relevant to civil engineering, but I just want to know how it is going to help the designers. So at present trend, the industry is looking for BIM software. So how this BIM is going to help our designers? Whether this bringing that in academics, is it going to help the student?
See, the BIM is in a trend. Of course, BIM software, but Revit is a tool which widely used. And I have also come across a few other projects. It makes particularly the services, when you have multiple services involved in a project, It ensures that there are no clashes. But important thing is all the services data should be properly updated. So even if it is in a miss can lead to it can lead to any clashes in the data or the services.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you very much, sir,
Thank you.
for your wonderful